Alright guys, just had a bit of a snowball fight, and this is a pretty good bit of snow for Georgia, especially during the day. Most of the time it snows at night when it gets cold, and then warms up during the day and we really don't have much, but this is pretty good. So we're gonna see if I can get this thing out of the driveway. I'm gonna go see if we can play around. So we'll see. Look at all this snow. That's a lot of snow for Georgia. Good times. All right, let's see if we can get this thing up out of the driveway. Oh, it's sliding already. Well, I made it up out of the driveway. This may be a terrible idea. Let's see if it'll go anywhere. Trash control is on right now, so it should help me, but we'll see what happens. It's pulling me up through here though. I can feel it slipping back and forth. It's pulling it though. Trash control is really helping out, breaking each side, making it pull. Look at all this snow. This is insane. We never get this good of snow. This Genesis is pulling through here pretty good to be a rear-wheel drive car. This is awesome. This is so awesome. One-handed drifts. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so easy to slide a car around in the snow. Yeah, this is fun. Uh-oh, big call. Dudes, look at all this snow. This is the dang main road here. Like, this looks like Wyoming or something. One of those northern states like South Carolina. Oh man, I turned into this turning lane and was shifting down into second, and it just racked in and locked up. It just started going sideways. I was like, no, 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 no. It was awesome. Oh, me. Third gear sliding here. This is third gear boost. Oh, woo. I just can't believe that the main highway looks like this. Do something silly, Mustang. Come on. It'll be fun for both of us. Wow. Here. I don't. Oh, that didn't work. Oh. Who said you can't do stuff in rear-wheel drive boosted cars in the snow? Uh-oh, going sideways. Oh gosh. Hang in, hang in. Oh, traction control. There we go. This road's a little rough. It's kind of a rough parking lot here. It's drifting pretty good though. Wow. This is the road back down to my house. Pretty darn good. It's just covered in snow. All right, guys, made it home. So hopefully you enjoyed this short little video of a snowy day in Georgia. So appreciate it, guys. Dudes, this is amazing for Georgia. I mean, this is like 4 or 5 inches tall now. This is crazy that it's this much snow. I mean, normally we get some snow that's at night when it gets cold. Look at the bird. But during the day, where's the bird feeder at? Right there, look. Only the corner.